And we are in front of an interesting Volkswagen with pretty big Mickey Thompson's wheels with Delta rims, the Bayabos. Well, this is an extremely big size wheel fitted on this Amarok. Well, it's all to present the Tischer double cab. It's the Riser Mobile Cabine Box 2230S with a final price of 55,961. But if you want to get it with the Amarok Delta 4x4, the big beast double cab, you have to pay 108,540 for this complete setup. But this actually looks amazing, and we shall be entering inside so we get a better idea on how this looks. And entering inside, we are looking at pretty spacious Tischer interior with great bedding, 3 cabinets, and additional actual space. You can make an additional bed right up here, so it mostly fits 3 to almost 4 people. Then cabinets all around, automatic cookware, additional storage sphere for your belongings. Yeah, pretty reasonably decent sized, good sink, Tischer control unit, hanging points all around, well, also made for your shoes, and great cabinet right up here with a shower unit, drop down sink, additional space right up there, and shower unit so you can enclose yourself. Pretty great. And compostable, well, toilet. On this part we have the Dometic, well, pretty great fridge. Nice. And then on the lower part, additional storage space. And we have here the Truma CXO heating and boiler unit. Great and accessible if you need it. Sitting area almost for 4 people with cabinets all around and radio unit. This looks pretty great. Actually, wouldn't mind staying here also in winter, no problem. And exiting out, checking again all around this Tischer mobile home. This looks pretty sick.